In this video, I will show you how to fix League of Legends error. Sorry, we detected a problem with your installation. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Now let's go ahead and get started with the video. So the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and disable compatibility mode. So right click on League of Legends desktop icon, and then from here head over into the compatibility section. Now in this section, go ahead and uncheck run this program in compatibility mode, and then click on that apply button at the bottom right of the pop-up, and then click on OK. So this should resolve the problem, but if this doesn't resolve the problem, the second thing you can do is to disable NVIDIA GeForce overlay. So go ahead and open GeForce Experience by right-clicking on your screen and then selecting the GeForce Experience control panel. So this will pop on your screen. So in here, go ahead and head over into the settings section and then disable the in-game overlay. Now, this should work, but if this doesn't work, another thing you can do is to add League of Legends to antivirus exceptions. So you just need to open your antivirus software on your desktop and then add League of Legends and Riot Client to the exception list. And that's basically how you can fix League of Legends error. Sorry, we detected a problem with your installation. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.